today we came to attend this education summit, and this summit is national level. We interacted with a number of delegates, educationists, and the management person who are running colleges, schools, university. So I believe such type of platform will definitely provide a guidelines, and it will also lead to a new policy, new directions to the government as well as to the private sector, how we could provide better type of quality of educations to the students, and what step could be taken in the 21st century India so that we could stand at the international level, because still there is not such any single university, even IIT, they are not standing above, if we talk about 500 best university in the world. We have to get that position at the international level, and I congratulate organizers and their teams for such type of. Thank you.
Thank you so much.